I suppose you ended up on my channel because you are in big dilemma that there is no solution to your Ubuntu problems. But you are in the right place. Welcome to Barbarin channel, and in today's video I'll explain you how to fix all the bugs on your Ubuntu. Before I begin, we need to understand what is causing your problem. Problem number one is that your Ubuntu can't recognize Nvidia graphic card drivers. Problem number two will be if you have Intel processor and they are based on Skylake architecture. And problem number three is that communication between the hardware and your Ubuntu is not possible. These three problems are most common, but there are more. Now I will show you simple solution how to solve every problem on Ubuntu. The first thing we need to do is connect to the internet, then open additional drivers and select one of the Nvidia drivers. After marking the desired driver, click Apply Changes and wait until the process is complete. Second thing that you need to do is to open Terminal and write this command. Now write your password and press Enter. After opening the grub editor, all you need is to write commands on this line, same as I written. Now click Save and exit the editor and the terminal. A very important note is that you must do this procedure right after you have installed your Ubuntu. I'm sure that your problems have been solved. Feel free to update your Ubuntu and restart your PC. I would be glad if you would share your experiences with me, and if this video helped you, please leave like, share and subscribe to my channel.